It's a little high for her.
Oh, I'm out.
I'll go get those ones.
If you can.
Move, Bella. Don't jump on Bella.
I can't reach.
Jump, right? Jump.
No, Bella's right there. She doesn't want to jump on Bella.
Well, it doesn't matter. There's an alien we can move. I want to shoot.
Move, Ray.
Move.
What about bullets?
Oh. Should get that one. Now you can jump and get them.
Now get the other two. Jump. Jump. Yay.
Hey, it's like Bella. Two more left.
One more left.
Get it, Bella. Get it, Bella.
Give those ones to me.
Come on, Bella. You did it.
Are you recording?